Hello there, in this video we are going to see how we can download Windows 10 Pro license key. So first of all you have to visit nexuskeyhub.com, then you have to select Windows 10 over there, Windows 10 Pro, and then you have to pay. You can pay through UPI and then it's so simple. You will see your license in your license key menu right here. You just have to copy it and paste it in the activation bar. So the activation bar is here and all you have to do is to paste it and click on the activate. It will take around 5 seconds in my PC, then I got it activated, you can say. And I have been using it from last 1 year. It's so safe and secure to activate, and it's so nice. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.